Today I'm making a red velvet dip. First I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of red velvet cake mix into a bowl, and then I'm going to place this in the microwave and cook this for 1 minute or until it reaches 160 degrees. Next, in another bowl I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Then add the heat treated red velvet cake mix. Next, mix that up until it's combined. Then add 4 ounces of whipped topping and mix that up until it's combined, and then put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, now I'm going to add the dip into this pumpkin container. Next, add some Halloween sprinkles on top. Then I'm going to add some dippers, so first I'm going to add these Halloween Oreos. Next, I'm going to add some pretzel sticks. Next, I'm going to add 2 different types of Halloween sugar cookies. I have ones with sprinkles on them and then other ones that are ghosts. Here's an up close look at the red velvet dip.